Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Chicken Dip. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F and gather 2 cups shredded chicken, 8 ounces cream cheese, 1/2 cup ranch, 1/2 cup Frank's Red Hot, and 1 cup shredded cheddar. Soften the cream cheese, then mix all ingredients until smooth. Transfer to a baking dish and bake until bubbly and golden on top. Serve hot with chips or celery. Gathering ingredients ahead makes cooking smooth and relaxing. Measure 2 cups cooked shredded chicken, 8 ounces cream cheese, 1/2 cup Frank's Red Hot, 1/2 cup ranch dressing, and 1 cup shredded cheddar. Optional add-ins include chopped green onions, a splash of Worcestershire, or a pinch of garlic powder. Keep extras on hand if you like it thicker or saucier. Mix everything in a bowl until evenly combined before moving to your baking dish. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, cool scent that makes your ride feel fresh after a saucy cooking session. It's a small treat that pairs nicely with nacho cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by softening cream cheese so it blends easily with ranch and Frank's Red Hot. Stir until very smooth, then fold in shredded chicken and 1 cup cheddar until the mixture is even. Spoon into a greased baking dish, smooth the top, and bake at 350 degrees F for about 18 to 22 minutes until bubbling. Let it rest 5 minutes before serving to thicken. Garnish with green onions or extra cheese if you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.